Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Chrome is updated and the site is open. This matters because mobile sites redirect automatically. Once done, tap the three-dot menu in Chrome's bottom or top right depending on your layout. Make sure you're on the exact page you want rendered as desktop. Mobile home pages sometimes block the option. If you're signed in, your preferences and cookies carry over, which helps pages render consistently. Now tap the menu to reveal the next set of controls. After opening the menu, choose Request Desktop Site. This instructs the browser to send a desktop user agent so the server serves full site HTML. If the option isn't visible immediately, swipe the menu or scroll to find it. On some iOS, Chrome builds its lower in the list. Once selected, Chrome reloads the page. Observe address bar and layout changes to confirm success. If elements still look mobile, tap Refresh or Clear Site Cookies and request again to force the desktop version. To finish, test interactive elements like menus and forms so you know the desktop mode works for your task. If the site keeps reverting to mobile, clear site data, go to Chrome Settings, tap Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data for site cookies, and repeat Request Desktop Site. If that fails, try requesting desktop in Safari or use a user agent switcher app. Some sites detect devices server-side and ignore the header. Key troubleshooting tip: clearing cookies usually forces the server to respect the new request.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.